Hi friends, my name is Debolina. I'm professionally a fashion designer, married to my best friend who is also a fashion designer, daughter of two wonderful parents. If you're watching my video for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon to get further notification of my channel. My channel comprises of fashion designing and scope of fashion designing. There are lots and lots of fun stuffs related to fashion coming up. In today's video, we're gonna talk about how to take your body measurements and to determine your body shape. This video I'm going to spread out in two parts. Second part will discuss about how to dress according to your body type. How to determine your body shape. Knowing your body type can be helpful for choosing clothing that will help your best features to be highlighted. It's easy to determine your body type with nothing more than a measuring tape. Start by measuring your bust, waist and hip. Then use this information to determine your body type. No matter what your body type is, remember that all the bodies are beautiful, and most importantly, you are beautiful. Now we'll discuss how to take body measurements. Body measurements should be taken in the most tight garment. It can be a comfortable camisole, it can be any fitted garment. To get the accurate measurements, you should wear the tightest clothing possible. Put on something light and form-fitting such as tank tops or a pair of leggings. You may also find it helpful to look into the mirror while taking the measurement. It will help you determine the position of the tape correctly. Now we'll talk about the waist measurement. As you can see that it's a circular measurement, and for that you have to locate the smallest part of your waist and you have to measure it. This is usually just below your ribs and about 2 to 3 inches, which is approximately 5.1 to 7.6 centimeter above your belly button. You can see on the picture that I have marked that the smallest portion of the waist, which we call as waistline, and that is the line you have to measure with the measuring tape. So basically you have to put the measuring tape 90-degree parallel to the ground. You have to measure it. You should not pull the measuring tape too hard so that the measurements are perfect. Now you have to record the measurement. Now we'll talk about the hip measurement. It is again the circular measurement. Identify the widest part of your hip and measure them. This is usually at the level of your crotch. Now with the measuring tape around the hip, at this point, record the measurement in centimeter or inch. Now we'll discuss how to identify the shape of your body. Compare the three measurements to determine which is the largest and smallest. Rank your bust, hip and waist measurement from the largest to the smallest to help you visualize the shape of your body. However, if the difference between two measurements is 1 inch, which is 2.5 centimeter or less, consider them as equal. For example, now you can see a picture on your screen. We'll discuss that. For example, if your bust is 34 inch, which is 86 centimeter, your waist is 38 inch, which is 97 centimeter, and your hips is 48 inch, which is 120 centimeter, then your hips are the largest and your bust was the smallest. Now we'll talk about apple shape. You are an apple shape if your waist is wider than your bust and hips. If your waist is 2 inch, 5.1 centimeter larger than your hip and bust, you may have an apple shape. Some people with apple-shaped bodies have slim hips and slender legs as well. For example, if your bust is 42 inch, which is 110 centimeter, your waist is 48 inch, 120 centimeter, and your hips is 40 inch, 100 centimeter, then you are an apple shape. We'll talk about pear shape first. You are a pear shape if your bust and the waist are the smaller than your hips. If your hips are the largest of the three measurements and your bust and the waist are almost the equal in size, or your bust is smaller than your waist, you look like a pear shape. This is also known as triangular shape, and it is a very common body type. Now we'll discuss with an example. For example, your bust is 32 inch, which is 81 centimeter. Your waist is 34 inch, which is 86 centimeter, and your hips are 40 inch, which is 100 centimeter. Then you are a pear-shaped body type. Now we'll talk about hourglass body shape. You are an hourglass if your waist is smaller than your bust and hip. Hourglass shapes usually have bust and hips measurement that are almost the same size, and their waist measurement is noticeably smaller than the bust and the hip. It creates a noticeable curve silhouette going around the bust to waist and hips. For example, if your bust is 38 inch, which is 97 centimeter, your waist is 30 inch, 76 centimeter, and your hip is 40 inch, 100 centimeter, then you are an hourglass shape. Now we'll talk about inverted triangular shape. You are an inverted triangular shape if your bust is larger than your waist and hips. This shape is opposite to the pear shape in an inverted triangle. The chest and the shoulder are the widest, and the waist and the hips are the smallest. This is a common body type for athletic men and women, but some people are naturally have this body type. For example, if your bust is 40 inch, 100 centimeter, your waist is 36, 91 centimeter, and your hips is 35, which is 89 centimeter, then you are an inverted triangle shape. Now we'll talk about square shape body shape. You are a square shape if your bust, waist, and hip are almost the same. It is not more than 2 inch or 5.1 centimeter difference between your bust, waist, and hip. Then you are likely a square shape body shape. This is common shape for people who are athletic and for young girls. However, some people naturally have this shape. Now we'll discuss with an example. The example is if your bust is 36 inch, which is 91 centimeter, your waist is 35 inch, which is 89 centimeter, and your hip is 37 inch, which is 94 centimeter, then you are a square shape body shape. Now we'll see all the body shapes together in the screen. You can see apple, pear, hourglass, inverted triangle, and rectangular in one go. So you can have a look to determine your body shape and get benefited out of it. Easy way to determine your body shape. After discussing all the body shape and the features, now we'll talk about how to determine your body shape. So basically for that you need a piece of paper, a pen or a pencil, or you can take a croquis like that it is in the screen. You can draw a shape according to the picture given on the screen. Try to create a scaled down drawing of your silhouette. Draw 3 parallel lines on a piece of paper on the point of bust line, waistline, and hip line. Mark all the measurements of your body that are 1/10 of the size of the actual measurement. Then connect the edges of the line. Join the dots and you can find a shape. So with that shape, you can describe which body type you are. So we'll discuss with an example. For example, if the measurement were 32 inch, 81 centimeter, 36 inch, 91 centimeter, and 44 inch, 110 centimeter, then your lines would look like 3.2 inch, 3.6 inch, and 4.4 inch. Connecting the ends, you will create a pear-shaped triangle shape. Now towards the end of this video, I'll discuss some of the tips which I have for you to determine your body shape. Bodies come in all shape and sizes. So keep in mind that you might not fit perfectly within one shape category. For example, you may have the bust and the hip of a pear shape with slightly bigger waist measurement. If you are a tween or a teenager, your body shape might change in the future. For example, you have a rectangle shape until you start to develop more curves. Ask an expert if you are not still sure about your body shape. Find a tailor or a boutique that has a sizing specialist. They may able to help you figure out your body shape. Last and most important tips, which is be happy with your body. This is so cliche, but it is true. Love the way you are and be proud of it. And most importantly, just remember, you are the most beautiful person in the whole world.
If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.